Are you tired of the chaos in your kitchen? Well, get ready for an exciting solution that will transform your culinary adventures. Introducing the game changer you've been waiting for, the Elite Gourmet and Bare Electric Pot. This sleek and versatile gadget will become your ultimate cooking companion, freeing up your counter space and revolutionizing your meals. Prepare to be amazed as we demonstrate the incredible capabilities of this all-in-one wonder. With precise temperature control and multiple cooking modes, you'll be able to sauté, simmer, steam, and stir-fry like a pro, all in one device. Cleaning up has never been easier. The non-stick surface ensures a quick and painless cleanup, saving you precious time and effort. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to simplify your cooking experience and unlock a world of culinary possibilities with the Elite Gourmet and Bare Electric Pot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tips and gadget reviews.